A very good morning and welcome to the 54th edition of Trends Talks. As you know, today's session is going to be a little interesting because there's been a lot of talk about climate change, sustainable development goals, equitable share of resources. And today's session is a session wherein there is innovation and innovative thought on conservation of water. So, my guest speaker today is Neha Bagoria, who is the chief founder principal of Tapu Sustainable Solutions, and she has been instrumental in innovating the waterless urinal. So let me hand it over to her to present us on this technology and then take us further. So it's over to you.
Okay, thanks a lot, Krishnaraj. Thanks a lot. So I would like to introduce a technology to you people, and it will be great actually to share about it because this technology uh, not only saves water but also enhance the sanitation experience. Okay, for the people who are using it. So this is the product technology is actually EcoTrapin. Okay, and so I started innovation in EcoTrapin around like 6 years back, and came up with this first version of EcoTrapin. And after the first version got like developed from us, then we started with the patent thing and all, and after trying with some corporates in Mumbai, we got like very good feedback from theirs, and then we went with the second version. And then after testing first and second, we got like this government of India, central government DSIR grant as well, uh, with which we got this third version, that is EcoTrapin Extra, developed. And this third version is a very do it yourself kind of version. And because of this we are able to also introduce this kit version of it recently with one of international fair recently held in Hyderabad. Okay, there we introduced that. And so any person who wants to install this kit at their urinals to save water and enhance the sanitation experience then can install themselves. So there is no as such technical help required like in our other waterless urinals, that where we send some operator or the installer to install and fix it. So that is not the requirement in this kind of version. Which is very handy for the user actually, and able to reach to maximum people because of this version as well. So should I share with you the screen and the presentation where I can show you the product now?
Yeah, you can share the screen now. Yeah.
Okay, let me check how will this work because earlier also it had some issue. uh, are you able to see the screen? You just tell me. Okay, are you able to see?
Yeah, not come up yet.
Screen has not come up.
It's still loading. I will give it some time.
Okay, because I have started sharing. Because of that screen, actually, I can show the presentation exactly.
Yeah.
You able to see?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm not sure if it will work that way or not because I have
No, it's still
started
loading, I think. So
loading. It's loading. Should
yeah,
I
it's
wait or
loaded.
should
It's
I?
loaded. Yeah, it's loaded. So you can slowly start.
Okay. So it's full screen now.
Yeah, it's full screen.
Okay. So this is the product actually. If the time permits, I'll show you in actually in my. It's the product is with me as well. I'll show you on camera as well. But now I would like to share over here. So it saves the portable water actually. Portable water which we use for urinals, for flushing and cleaning and everything. So it saves. close to like 1,67,900 liters of water, and we have the calculation for that as well, because it is for like the that we use for flushing. Okay, every time we flush, like, and then 4-5 times it flushes per day, and then for cleaning purpose that we use for like uh, 3 to 4 liters per urinal is required. So all the calculation is done, okay, for that, and as per that only we got this number, which is actually exorbitant. This one is a huge number that we can save through waterless urinals. Okay, and definitely when we use this, we don't require like other cleaning chemicals and other deodorizer or air fresheners, because it curbs actually urine smell. So how does this curb it? Because this is the actually dry trap inside it over here. This blue trap is dry cartridge, you can say, which allows to urine to flow to the urine that is the drainage, and then stop the odor because of this mechanical functioning inside it and antibacterial layer inside it because of that. So that makes it actually the whole waterless experience actually for the user, and the ammonia formation is curbed of this antibacterial layer inside this dye trap. Okay, which this one is the trap, and this is the this outer actually housing. So definitely it can save. This is the organic calculation for 2,500 per year for per urinal it can save, as per for water, cleaning chemicals, manpower, hours, everything. Every calculation is there in that as per that. So this is another one which is kit format, which we recently introduced. Okay, this kit format is do it yourself, where it can be installed at the urinal base by any normal plumber. Okay, so there is no requirement as such. Any technical expertise is not required from our end. We just actually give them a two-step manual, actually a physical manual also, or as a in form of video also. We give it to the user, and then they can install it at their end. Okay, that is very easy. Any plumber can do it. Very, so there is no expertise, special expertise required. And what we get in that is like there is a urinal screen actually, which is a sifter for us, and there is a fork, okay, which holds this blue cartridge to remove and clean it. And there is eco clean spray that is to be sprayed twice a day on the urinal bowl. Okay, and there is a manual as well, okay, which we send with this kit, and as well as the video as well. Okay, so this is these are the components of the kit. Further we have this explained over here. This is the cartridge, this spray, and this sifter, which is like a urinal screen for normal user. Okay, and which is very easy to clean and further stops the blockages of the urinal. Okay, I'll show you if this link works, and I'll show you the video. Uh, Are you able to see the video screen, Krishnaraj?
Yeah, I can see your presentation. The video is still loading up.
Okay, you are able to see the video link because I
I
have
can see the
opened.
link, but not the video.
Are you able to see the YouTube video? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, you able to see the video over there?
No, I'm not able to see the video. Maybe you can show it later.
Okay, fine then. You able to see the presentation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Fine, then maybe we can show it later if it works. So we'll talk more about this technology and how this works. So this is actually for any conventional urinal. When we have we flush every time. So when we flush, ammonia formation happens because of the water and the urine reaction that happens inside a urinal. Okay, so here we specifically talking about men's urinal. So in men's urinal, that odor issues and yellow marks and all wastage of water happens over there most. So for that issue, we have this technology, that is Ecotrapin. Okay, and with this kind of technology, this is a mechanical technology in the sense where we don't need to pour in more of liquid or this bio blocks or like a cake inside it. So that kind of technology is different compared to this one. This is a antibacterial mechanically operated dry trap, okay, which stops ammonia formation of the chemical component inside the trap. Okay, and then uh, the odor formation stops because when the urine enters inside the trap, then it allows to drainage and it locks it back. Okay, so the foul odor from the drainage also stops compared to other technologies where we use liquid or like a blue liquid or something like that, or like a cake inside it. So this one is very different compared to those kind of technologies. So it is a dry trap technology, okay, which has antibacterial layer inside it. Okay, and definitely it has a sifter further for stopping the again the splashes and the clogging and scaling. Okay. The advantages that we see in this is shifting cost is very low because it converts your existing urinal into waterless. It's not that you have to buy a new urinal or something. In your existing one only you can install it. Okay, and definitely flushing stops because we ask like the user to stop the flushing because it saves water, plus the urine reaction with water is also stopped. And we for that we give the urinal for the cleaning for the this urinal surface. We also have this eco clean urinal cleaner for that is to be sprayed twice a day. Okay, and it is a very cleaner friendly what do you say this version, this Ecotrap in extra, because it's easy to clean because of the model that we have developed for specifically for cleaner. They can easily remove it. There is no screwing or something. They can remove it and clean it and can put it back over here easily. So it's very cleaner friendly, and definitely it saves water plus your electricity bills. Okay, and because it for the water to be pumped to the tank and for cleaning purpose or for the sensors, lots of things are there. So your expenses are reduced drastically for urinal compared to the conventional one. And the clogging and all that also is actually reduced a lot in compared to this normal conventional urinal, because you can see the drain pipe. Okay, this lots of this clogging and rusting happens because of the chemical reaction and ammonia formation compared to the waterless one. Yeah, I think I've shared with you all these things. This is another chart we have for this recurring expenses. Recurring expenses like monthly, you can see we have shared over here. So this is like a bifurcation, how we get the savings for each urinal. This like water charges, odors, or the repair services we have, or for flushing batteries, and every time a cleaner goes and clean the urinal, because for conventional urinals we have to, they have a duty hours, every 3 or 4 hours they have to flush, and they have to clean it, otherwise it stings a lot. So that is reduced drastically, like up to 90% actually. And motor of this electricity pump, and where we have to pump the water to the tanks. There are different tanks where from we get the water for cleaning and flushing. That is also reduced a lot. Okay, so this is like a yearly or monthly expenses that we save. Okay, and so this is one comparison. You can see this for conventional urinal and for waterless urinal, where you have yellow stains and stinky, because ammonia formation is continuously happening over there, and because of that urinals are very in bad shape. We can't use them actually. We can't even stand over there. Forget about using. Mostly you see all this in public urinals, or urinals which are not so well maintained actually over there. And when we use waterless urinals, then definitely the story is totally different. So we have two-step installation process. Okay, it's not much required. As I said, like any normal plumber can do it. So a plumber who can install any urinal or any kind of installation they have done, so they can easily fix this fitment. Okay, so this is a retrofit actually version which fits easily with the existing one over here, the base of the urinal bowl over here. Okay, so this two steps are required as such. Just one with the fitment, another is a PVC pipe, that's a drainage pipe. That's only the requirement. And the maintenance is definitely just once you have to spray the Eco Clean spray twice a day, and if there is any debris in this cartridge, just remove it and then clean it and fix it back over there. Just drop inside. There is no screwing required. So that's why I said it's a very cleaner friendly. Mostly what happens, if it's very complex, cleaners just try to avoid cleaning it, then it's more clogging actually. So many international actually awards as well we have received for this technology actually, uh, with Indian government also, and Indian organizations as well, like we innovation fair is there, like in Bangalore. There also we have one for this one with the Indian Innovators Association. From when this technology was taken from Indian ambassador, we have one technological actually appreciation from various countries actually, Korea, China, Lebanese, and this Bosnia, for the technological actually innovation. Okay, and I'll show you more in this. So we have installed many of them with like these corporates already. They are using it. Okay, and some of the testimonies we have. Okay, where they have actually saved lots of water, and they actually going well with the technology as well, with the different like banks, or a factory, or a school or college. So different variety from different client sectors we have, who are actually saving, or working towards the clean environment through this kind of technology. uh, that's it, I think. Krishnaraj, should I share the again try for the video, or like, hello?
See if you can share the video now.
Okay, okay, fine. I'll just share. I'll try if this works. You tell me if the screen is changing for you, if you can see the screen changing.
All right.
I'll again try screen share. Now,
Yeah,
hello.
still loading up.
Okay, loading. Okay, fine. Then I should wait.
Yeah, you can show it now. I can see the YouTube screen now.
Okay, you can see that. Okay, great, great. Let me enlarge it.
There's no audio there.
Okay, let me. Okay, so I should shift to this video mode now.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know when you're able to see me. Uh, Now, am I visible?
Yeah, the screen has just come up. Maybe we can start talking on this. So
Okay.
great presentation. I think you've helped in managing save a lot of water and
Yes.
money for several of your customers.
Yes,
So
yes.
going further, let me ask you, how did this idea actually strike you that you should be working in this space? When and how did it actually strike to you?
Okay, so actually, I was working in a software industry prior to this, and but I had inclination towards social impact area. So very high social impact, where actually I can directly, uh, work in the society or work in the technology which actually benefit the society. So then, actually, I was very close to water, and then many times I saw, like, very stinky urinals and lots of water getting wasted over there. Then idea actually struck me that, like, I should try for this water conservation technology. Then this I was dabbling with different technologies. Then I came up with with I actually read a lot, and then I visited few sites also in Mumbai, where I saw, like, lots of water in public urinals getting wasted, and it's stinky a lot. Then I did some research, and then I found, like, there can be technologies in that, but there were technologies which mostly from abroad, and they are very expensive, and because of that, actually, we are not able to implement in India. Then I did research for 2 years, and then came up with this one, and this technology, and we tried with some corporates and schools over there in Mumbai. And then after that, actually, I was applied for patent, and then the second version and third version. So that's how actually the idea came up.
So can you talk a little bit about the patent? Is it something which is very unique with your product, or are there something similar?
Yeah, so our product actually, in the patent thing is this, for the technology, in the sense, we compare to other technologies. If you, I can show you this. This is the product. Okay, okay. So this has sifter is above it. Okay, and this is you can say this is a dry trap. Okay, so urine goes inside it, flows it from here. Okay, and if anything stuck over here, it's very easy to remove. So it's like plug and play. So cleaner can remove this with this actually this one very easily, and then when it is clean they can drop inside it again, so there is no screwing required. So these are the few unique features actually for the patent technology compared to other products. Ours is not what you say dependent on our technical team. Earlier versions, actually, EcoTrapin versions were actually installed by us only, but this one is not required at all from us. So, and the dry trap technology inside it is the patent thing inside it. Yeah.
So you've constantly innovated from
Yeah.
your initial product. So did you get
Yes.
any kind of feedback from your clients or customers? What provoked you to, move in that direction?
In direction of what? Sorry.
To innovate, I mean, the retrofit model that you have now, wherein you don't require anybody to handle it.
Yes, yes, yes. We had to innovate from the two versions because of the feedback from the customers only, and the type of things they were issues they were actually facing. Like they had to wait from our team to get it installed at their place. Plus, cleaner were also avoiding to clean it. This one because earlier. Even if they have to clean, they have to get our technical team to screw, unscrew, and then again install. That's the reason we came up with this third version where they don't have to call us anytime. Even installation, maintenance, everything is done at their end. There is no technical know-how required for this. It's only the technology inside it. That is all. Okay, there is nothing less such expertise that you have to remove it that way and then fit it that way. So that's why this version is cleaner friendly version. So the cleaner actually for us, the cleaner is the king. Actually, if he cleans the product well, the product works well. That's the reason. So that's how we got into this innovation of third version.
So what is it? It's a metal plate or something wherein it takes care of the odor and ensures that there is no ammonia formation.
No, actually, this has a antibacterial layer inside it. Actually, this product, this dry trap, okay, and this is the actually outer housing over here. So this whole is has a antibacterial layer, and compared to this one also and how this there is a mechanism inside it. Okay, so when the urine goes inside over here, drops it over here. So the density of this float over here, this flap over here, is lower than actually the urine that flows on it. So it pushes it back over there down, okay, and then allows the urine to go into the drainage. Then after the urine is no more on the top, then it locks it back. It again pushes it back to the topper position. So that is how the technology works. So that odor is stopped from the drainage, and the chemical reaction is because of the antibacterial layer that is in this urinal, this dry trap and this housing, because of that. And plus that EcoClean spray, currently I am not having now, but that is to be sprayed on the urinal bowl twice a day. That also takes care of it. That's the only whole the solution is that much.
All right. So now let's say, for instance, somebody's got a very innovative product here and then they want to patent. So since you've really gone through all this, what is your experience and suggestion for some new innovators here?
See, suggestion for the new innovators is first thing is they should be very sure about what works in the where they actually they want to use it. If it's the factory or if it's of it's an office or wherever they want to use that innovation, they should be very sure. So they have to do lots of trials, get feedbacks from the user. Okay, when they are sure of it and they want to go ahead, then only they should think of a patent and all. Earlier, even at the very initial stage, also they can have very provisional patent, which is not very expensive. They can go ahead. And then later, when they are very serious about it, then they can further have a very descriptive patent, so that they can protect their innovation at very initial stage also. That also can be worked out for someone serious about their innovation.
Right. So currently you are at an expansionary phase wherein you're trying to reach out to many people. You have also gotten a lot of awards from several countries. So
Yeah.
what were the challenges, especially during the Corona phase? Were there any bottlenecks or any issues that you were facing?
Yes, so Corona, actually, this COVID scenario has definitely restricted us a lot because of movement, or because most of our customers are corporates and offices or schools, colleges, and uh, and things got stuck because of the movement, and the people are not able to reach to offices or not able to use the premises as well. So that has definitely affected us a lot, but we're looking for because the things are changing, so we are now looking forward for expanding to other countries as well, not just India. Let's see how things get better in India as well, but we are expanding in other actually areas as well.
Right. So what do you have to tell our viewers? Anything specific that you want to speak out and reach out to our viewers at Trend Stocks? And what do you think about this platform?
Yeah, definitely, it's a good platform. I mean, where I got a chance actually to talk about the technology and more about the innovation and interact how this technology can actually help save water and sanitation experience, everything. So I think this is a good one. I came to know, but this is the 54th, I think 54th
Yeah,
episode.
54th edition knowledge.
Yes, yes, that's great. Actually, I like to really congratulate you for that. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is nice actually, getting exposure over and to the users as well as for the innovation as well. That's a good one. Nice.
So Nehaji, thank you very much for sparing your time today in the midst of your busy schedule. Thank you for being on Trend Stocks and sharing your experience with us.
Thanks a lot, Krishna. Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.